Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Zoosk account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do first, you're gonna go ahead and access your Zoosk app in your mobile phone. And for me, I'm here in this web browser of mine. You can do it from your browser itself as well. Once you have done so, you're going to go ahead and find this kind of interface where it asks for you to either sign up or a login option on top. Go ahead, tap on this login, enter your credentials, and simply go ahead get yourself logged in as well over here. Once you have done so, you're going to go ahead, tap on this three-lined menu icon on top left corner and tap on this gear icon that will be appear as settings. Once you have tapped on it, you will find another menu of options, including this option called account, and tap on it, and then it will let you have another option called account status within. Go ahead, tap on account status, and it will let you have this option called deactivate your account, which we need. Once you have tapped on it, it will give you a reason for you to why you're deactivating. Once you have chosen a reason for it, it will let you select from the options. You're going to go ahead, tap on that, and then you will be able to deactivate your account like that. So that it comes for the confirmation, and then you will be done. So that is the way for you to do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in my next video.